Hi everyone, I'm Nazli Ramos Vidal. In today's video, I'm going to say the task 7 recording. Well, number 1, reading. Emotions are states of feelings that are often intense, last for only a short time, and are clearly directed at or caused by someone or some circumstance. Positive emotions include joy, praise, relief, love, and compassion. We must feel share it positively, then join to others by always trying to be positive and trustful. Negative emotion includes anger, anxiety, fear, guilt, shame, sadness, and bit a disgust. Number 2. Minimal pace. Cat, bat. White, wise. Right, road. Kite, night. Take, steak. Coke, cooked. Ping, bean. Till, pill. Teach, teach. They, pay. Dig, pig. Deal, pill. Dog, bog. They, bait. Tall, call. Tool, cool. Tape, cape. Toad, coat. Town, gone. Tie, guy. Tap, gap. Tool, goal. Tack, gag. Table, gable. Thing, fin. Tail, fail. Tongue, fun. Tick, big. Number 3. Intonation. Statements with one stress. She works. We lowered. It stopped. Statements with 2 stresses. Tom is reading. Mike is sleeping. The car stopped. The weather has changed. Statements with 3 stresses. Children like to play. The boy is reading a book. The weather is going to change. Statements with 4 stresses. She wants to buy a new car. He wrote the letters very quickly. The teacher told her students a story. Statements with 5 stresses. Alex wrote the letters very quickly. Victor is going to London next month. Tanya is reading the book you brought yesterday. Special questions failing intonation. What is your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where do you live? Friendly interest, polite, rising intonation. What is your name? Where do you live? What did she say? Where have you been? General question, rising intonation. Have you read this book? Have you heard the news? Do you need some help? Do you have a pen? Request, rising intonation. May I speak to Ella, please? Could I speak to Michael, please? Can I borrow your dictionary, please? Alternative questions, rising and failing intonation. Will you come back at 5 or at 6? Does she read books in the morning or at night? Will you try to do it today or tomorrow? Tag questions, failing or rising intonation. You don't know them, do you? They haven't found it, have they? You weren't late, were you? I shouldn't do it, should I? Commands failing intonation. Tell me the truth. Give me your hand. Do it yourself. Ask him for help. Request rising intonation. Close the window, please. Tell me your name, please. Ask him to call me, please. Exclamatory sentence failing intonation. It's good to see you. It's an excellent opportunity. I'm so happy. Direct address, rising intonation. Ella, can you help me? Lena, are you there? Tony, where are you? Enumerating, rising intonation. I bought bread, cheese, and tomatoes. We need paper, pens, and pencil. Responses. I can. She is. He will. You should. I can't. He didn't. Thank you very much.